one of my previous videos, I'll show you how to dismantle a microwave oven. Alright, and this is the parts I get from it. Alright, so today I will show you the parts and the name of it. So first we will start with the power cord. This is the power cord. Alright, so this is the power cord for the microwave oven. And this is the noise filter. Alright, so the power cord connects to the noise filter. Alright, two terminals. And I connect right here. Two terminals. And this is the ground. This connects to the cavity of the microwave. Right, so resistor side. And this is the fan. Right, so this fan is to cool down the magnetron. That's the magnetron right here. Right, so when the magnetron gets real hot, when the magnetron gets overheated, this will cool down. Right, so resistor side here. Now this is the magnetron. This is what just form the heat in the microwave. This is what does cook the food in the microwave. Right, so you can see I have two magnets inside. Resistor side. Now this is the high voltage capacitor. Now with this high voltage capacitor, this is keep the microwave working. Without this, the microwave will heat. So whenever the microwave not heating, because one of the main problems is because of the capacitor. And whenever you change the capacitor, right, make sure you discharge the capacitor by holding on these two terminals there. Right, to discharge this capacitor, you have to hold on these two terminals here to short it. Right, this is one way of shorting it. Once it discharge, you can work after. If you don't discharge this time, make a mistake and touch this, you can get electrocuted, high voltage. Whenever you change it, make sure you get the correct value. This value is 0.91 UF. Right. Now this two small device, this is thermal cutoff. Right, so the thermal cutoff is a sensor, is a heat sensor. So whenever the magnetron overheating, or the cavity of the microwave overheating, it will send a signal to cut it off, to cut off all power. Right, so normally this does be on top. It does be on top of the microwave magnetron. So when it gets overheated, it will send a signal and cut it off. Right, so two terminal cut off. This is the bulb for the microwave to light up. Whenever I open and close the door, it will light up. Right, this is the turntable mode 2. Right, so the turntable mode 2 does, I'm looking for the piece. Turntable mode 2 does rotate the turntable inside the microwave oven. Right, so this is it right here. Right, so that works just like that. This is turn the turntable. Right, so this is the microwave keypad in front and the circuit board. Right, sometimes you're pressing the keypad and it's not working. It's because the keypad is gone. You gotta get a next replacement. Right, so you gotta get another keypad to replace this. And then sometimes to show you what error code on the screen is because the circuit board in this gone. Some part of the circuit board is damaged, so it's send a code. So in order to fix this, you have to change the circuit board. Now this big heavy thing, right, so this big heavy thing is a transformer. This is what supplies the power through the whole microwave. Right, so we have a primary winding, a secondary winding. Right, so this is very dangerous. Always unplug your microwave before touching this or any other part inside the microwave, because this have very high voltage, can cause death. Now this is the latch for the door, the microwave door, and this is the latch to hold the switch for the microwave door. So it works like this. It goes inside and it activates the switches. Right, so it goes inside here, as you can see, and when I close the door, it activates the switches. So one switch below here activate, and one switch above here activate at the same time, and the one below will activate when this hook up. Right, this will activate when you hook up. And these are the switches that activate the microwave to power on or off. Now we have a primary switch, a secondary switch, and a monitor switch. Sometimes one of the three switches will go bad, sometimes two switches will go bad. You just start to change it. Sometimes whenever a fuse keep blowing, it's because one of the switches is the problem. And these are the wires, the harness for the microwave. Alright, so that is about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment below. Until next time, it's Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.